And now an SST tech tip. This is for all the Audi enthusiasts out there. Welcome to the latest SST project car. This is a 2011 Audi A5 with a 2-liter turbocharged engine. We're getting this car ready to put on the road, and it needs a little bit of work because it is a used vehicle. And in order to get it safety checked here where we live and drive, we have to get it safetied. So we are putting front brakes on the car. And today I wanted to share a little tip with you. For all of you Audi owners out there who have to do brake jobs, you're going to run into this problem, if you haven't already, where you need to put these retainer springs back on the calipers. And it can be a little bit tricky. I went online to check out some of the how-to videos to see how some other guys are taking care of this, and most guys are just saying, put these springs on with your hands, or take a screwdriver and hold it in place with your hands and then put these springs on. And I'm telling you, it's difficult. Maybe it works for some guys, but man, I'll tell you, you need superhuman strength in your fingers to do that. So I have my own method. And what I do is I get out a C-clamp and I take these springs and position the top portion of the spring on the top part of the brake caliper bracket. Then I take the little tab and I insert it into the center section, the center hole of the caliper itself. And then I take the C-clamp and I cinch it up and I place it right over that tab, the center hole of the caliper itself, and hold that spring into place. That then allows you to use a screwdriver to pull that spring up and around and over into place on the bottom portion, and then you can take a hammer and just tap it into place and get it properly positioned so that the tension is reapplied to the caliper and you're good to go. It's a safer method in my view because it prevents that spring, once it's under load, from flying across the room and hitting you in the eye or causing some other kind of damage. And you don't need superhuman strength in your fingers to get the job done. So we'll have a complete review of this Audi A5 2011 with the 2-liter turbocharged engine, Quattro, in a future episode of SST to let you know if this does rate as a good SST used car value.
Sally hates paying for cable TV, so she got the Super Geeks Super Tenna. Sally called 1-866-248-1490 and ordered online at the supergeeksuperstore.com. Now she watches dozens of high-definition TV channels for free. Sally gets all the major networks and specialty channels, even old classic shows. You can too, and save money every month. 100% legal. No more monthly fees. Her picture quality is as good as or better than cable. She even gets channels the cable companies don't offer. Compact enough to mount in your attic or on your balcony, and tough enough to mount on your roof. Plus, the Super Tenna comes with a video amplifier and wireless remote control. Call 1-866-248-1490. That's 1-866-248-1490. Get smart like Sally and order your Super Tenna at supergeeksuperstore.com.